Come test drive the 2017 370Z. With its richly crafted, driver-obsessed cockpit and the world's first Synchro Rev Match manual transmission, the lower, wider, lighter Nissan Z is in a class all its own and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, tachometer, leather shift knob, leather-wrapped steering wheel. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.